day in my life vlog for you guys. I have a lot going on today. It is Monday, it's the beginning of the week, and I want to be really productive, and I just have a lot going on. So I wanted to vlog with you guys and show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm up to. First things first, I ate breakfast today. I ate breakfast earlier. I had bagel with cream cheese and water, and then I also did some schoolwork. I did take notes for my women gender and crime class, and then I am about to take a shower, so I'm in the bathroom right now, and I'm basically about to take a shower so that I can do some grocery errands with my sister and my mom. So I'm about to take a shower, but I thought that I would quickly intro this vlog because I haven't done that yet. So yeah, but I just wanted to kind of say hey and welcome to this week's vlog. Since I wasn't able to upload a video last week, hopefully this will make up for it, and also you guys will love my vlogs. So that is what I'm doing for you guys. So I guess I'm gonna go quickly take a shower, and then I will see you guys after. My gloves on, and we are at Maya right now, so let's go. Okay. Hey guys, it is Allison. I'm just chilling on the couch in our little living room, and I just have been procrastinating doing my discussion post because I've just been so tired doing a bunch of other work. As you guys saw in the last clip, I was taking lecture notes, and now I'm just still doing work. I am trying to finish this module, which basically is just like consists of watching the lecture, doing the 2 readings, watching 2 videos. One of them was like really long, the other one was like pretty short, and then doing the discussion post. And I just have my laptop here, and I've just been watching some YouTube videos for the last like 15 minutes because I'm just trying to like stay awake. And yeah, I'm just really tired, so I'm trying to find a way to like distract myself and like concentrate so that I'm able to actually do this discussion post, because it's like not that hard, but it's just like requires so much focus that I don't have right now. So I'm almost done watching this YouTube video, so after I'm finished watching it, I can actually do this discussion post. So yeah, it's like 7:11 right now, so I'll probably start in like 4 minutes. But yeah, it's just, I don't know, it's hitting me that I'm really tired. And I also have to go to bed super early today so that I can wake up pretty early so I can just do some last minute studying for my exam tomorrow. So yeah, it's really, slowly hitting me that I'm getting really tired. So yeah, but wish me luck that I can actually start doing this discussion post, because it's not hard. It's just you need motivation to like actually, I have to be like in the zone to actually do them. So yeah, anyways, I will talk to you guys probably, hopefully, cross fingers, when I'm done with it and done with homework. I might have to do a little bit of studying later, but that's later, so we'll worry about that when the time comes. But right now I gotta knock this thing out. You're gonna need 1 cucumber, sesame oil, some type of sesame dressing, salt, ground cayenne pepper, and black pepper. You can also put in some roasted sesame seeds too. And then I also have this little Tupperware where I will be putting all of my ingredients in. Okay, so you have your cucumbers. Now we are going to first add the sesame oil. I'm done. Okay, Dad. Okay. And then we are going to add the cayenne pepper. I only add a little bit because it adds a little bit of a spice to it. So if you don't want it to be too spicy, just add it sparingly. Okay, this is good enough. And then we're going to add some salt to it. And then second to last thing is the black pepper. And then add your desired dressing. This one is the Asian sesame with ginger and soy. You can add any kind of sesame dressing you would like.
Ginger ko na yun.
And I like to add a lot of this. Okay, and then you're gonna mix it up. Just gonna mix it all up together. That will be enough. Then you're going to put this lid on. Shake it like that.
Oh my
And then, as you can see, there's a lot of this, as you can see, a lot of the kind of like the sauce and the marinade kind of collect at the bottom. So what we're gonna do is just put this in the refrigerator and probably for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it'll taste really yummy, and we'll flip it so that the sauce at the bottom will land on top. Hey guys, so I'm finally updating you guys. It's been a hot minute, but it is currently, I don't have my Fitbit on, but it I think is, oh I have my clock there, it is like 5 minutes past 12 a.m. and I don't normally stay up this late like doing work, but here I am. I have an exam literally in less than 12 hours. So yeah, but I'm just gonna quickly finish my discussion post from my class really quick. So hopefully I can get that done and then I can just head to bed. Like last night, I think I probably went to bed closer to 12:30, but yeah, normally I don't. By the time 12 hits, I normally am in bed. But I have to quickly finish this because I'm the type of person where, if you guys notice I keep doing this, there's like, I put like castor oil, so it kind of transfers at the bottom. But normally, I'm off my train of thought now. Also, my retainer's done, which is great. But honestly, oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. You can tell it's getting late. I can't even figure out what I just said 5 seconds ago. But basically, I try not to stay up too late doing work. So about like 12, I normally just like chill. But oh, now I know. Gosh, my brain. I don't have an excuse other than it's really late now. But I'm the type of person where I try and finish work. Like whatever I'm doing, like I have to finish it, or else like I'll just go crazy. So yeah, that's why I'm finishing my discussion, because if I start something, I gotta finish it. So yeah, but I just wanted to quickly update you guys and end this vlog because it's getting really late and I'm just want to get to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification down below to be notified every time I upload a video. Hopefully this video was exciting for you guys, interesting, entertaining while you guys are in quarantine. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.